How to add or remove eye tracking to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. In here, tap on Eye Tracking. Tap on that to select or deselect the eye tracking item. Once it is selected, it will be available in the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. So here we have eye tracking. And I will now switch it off. To remove it from the menu item, you can deselect it. And here you can see once I deselect it, it will not be available in the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.